This is Gator Mike at www.giveawaygator.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Hello and happy July the 6th, Monday morning here in the good old USA, Eastern Shore. I'm going to put up a little video here about how to upload pictures from your personal computer to Instagram. Some of you may already know how to do it and some may not. If you have any better suggestions or easier way to do it, just put them in the comments below the video. Anyway, we would go to your Instagram account, open it up. Now I'm using Chrome to do this. So up in the top right, the three little dots, click on those, go down to more tools, and go over to the next menu to developer tools, and that will open up something that looks like this. Now up here, this little toggle device right here will change the way it looks. You want it bigger? Mine looks like an iPhone 6 supposedly. Anyway, what you do next is go up here and refresh the page, and then you'll see the little plus down at the bottom. Your mouse pointer will turn to a gray circle. You just click on that. Go to the pictures that you would like to upload. I'm going to upload a little mime here. Just if I can find it. Somewhere down this way. Here we are. And you just click on that. It puts it there. You go click next. Write a caption. Every day at the beach is like a holiday. Then you can put anything else you want. With my giveaways I usually post here, I have a list of hashtags you put. Just put hashtag holiday. It'll bring up a suggestion. Just click on it, it adds it. You click share, and whoop, there it is. So now if you go back to your Instagram account, refresh it, see, there it is. Just like I put it up. Every day at the beach is like a holiday. Anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And this is Gator Mike out. This is Gator Mike at www.giveawaygator.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today.